Hello, this is John in Auto Clinic. We're working on your concern of a buzzing sound during turn signal operation. We've checked out the combination switch, the data trouble codes on the onboard diagnostic system. Everything's checking out fine. The only thing we did notice, and again, this is an intermittent problem, so sometimes it works okay and other times it doesn't. So right here under the driver's side kick panel, there's a main fuse box and you can hear it sometimes. And that's the concern that you're having. So we're gonna call you very shortly with an estimate, and we can go ahead and replace this piece, and she'll be good to go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.